Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last week we looked at days. Today we're going to look at network days. Now, network days function does the same thing like work day. So it means that with network days function, then we can know the number of days that we will be working on a project. So now I have start date and I have end date. Again, network days we automatically remove the weekends from the start date and the end date. Okay, so now it will be equals to network days, then my start date, and then my end date. Close my bracket and hit my enter. So what do you notice? 260 days. So it means that I will be using 260 days to work. So now let's look at the other projects. So for the other one, we have 175, another one 104, and 139. So again, the definition: network days allows you to remove the weekends from the start date and end date, and you will now have the number of days that you will be working. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, bye.